Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox my gifts. See? This is Pilgrim hair serum. Now let's open this one. This is Caffeine sunscreen. And now I will be opening this one at the last. I don't know what is inside this one. So now let's unbox this one. So this is Caffeine. Now I'm going to open this one. I don't know what is inside this big. Let's see. So this is Joy and Almond body lotion. Now let's open the next one. Oh my god, what is inside this one? See? It's very hectic, guys. God, this is... Wow! See, this is Caffeine. Now let's go to the next one. This one. Let's see what is inside this. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. So this is a Pilgrim anti-dandruff. So now open the next one. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the next one. I have lots of gifts. Now going to this one. Okay, slowly. Okay, so this is also Pilgrim anti-dandruff shampoo for my hair. Now let's open this one. Let's open this. Wow, so this is Caffeine body lotion. Body wash. Oh my god. Thank you. Now let me check what is inside this one. So this is the serum. And I also got this brand new Puma shoes. We will open this at the last. I have one more big gift. Let's open. Let's see. These are shoes. And I also got this gift from my aunt. The ring light and a tripod. Oh wow, it's cute. Notepad. Thank you guys for all the gifts and all the wishes. Thank you.